In today's video, let me show you how to use Copilot to summarize your meetings you missed inside of Microsoft Teams. In case you missed a meeting that you had to attend, or you want to know the in general summary of it, all you want to do is head over to the calendar section. Once you're inside of calendar, just click on a particular meeting that you want to summarize. And right here, you'll see the option called view recap. As soon as you tap on it, the AI will give a total recap or a summary of the entire meeting. Apart from this, what you can also do is head over to your meeting chat as well. And then on the top of the screen, you'll be able to see the option of recap. You can just click on the recap as well. And it's also going to give the same results, which is going to summarize and recap all of the meeting notes. So using one of these methods, you can use Copilot in order to summarize the meetings that you missed inside of Microsoft Teams. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.